In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background image on a ClickFunnels page. To get started, first log into your ClickFunnels account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a menu there, and one of the options will be Funnels. Go ahead and click that. This will open a list of all the funnels you've already created in your account. Take a moment to find the specific funnel where you want to change the background image, and then click on that funnel to open it. Inside the funnel view, you'll see all the funnel steps displayed in the center of the screen. These might be pages like opt-in pages, sales pages, order forms, and so on. Hover your mouse over the funnel step where you want the new background image. When you hover, an edit button will appear on or near that step. Click the edit button to open the page editor for that specific step. Once the editor loads, look towards the top of the screen. You'll see several small icons there that control different parts of the page. Find the icon labeled Layout and click it. When you do, a drawer or panel will slide open from the right-hand side of the screen. This drawer lists all the sections, rows, and elements that make up your funnel step. In that right-hand panel, locate the section you want to change the background for and click on it. As soon as you select the section, you'll see its editing and styling options appear in the same drawer on the right. Scroll down within these options until you find the background settings. Make sure the background option is toggled on so that it's active. Within the background settings, you'll see a field labeled for the image URL and, next to it, a small image icon. Click that image icon. A pop-up will appear showing the images you've already uploaded to your ClickFunnels account. You can choose one of these existing images as your new background by simply clicking on it. If you'd rather use a new image from your computer, click on Upload Images in that pop-up. This will open a file selector window where you can browse your computer, pick the image you want, and upload it. After you've selected or uploaded the image, look back at the page preview in the center of the screen. You'll see that the background of that section automatically updates to your chosen image. Take a moment to check how it looks with your existing content. If needed, you can refine how the image appears. Still in the right-hand drawer, there are additional settings to adjust the image style and fit. Here, you can control things like whether the image covers the entire section, repeats, or how it's positioned. Adjust these options until the background looks clean and professional, and your text and elements remain easy to read. When you're happy with everything, don't forget the final and most important step: saving your work. Move your cursor to the top right corner of the editor and click the Save button. This ensures that all your changes, including the new background image and any style adjustments, are safely applied to your ClickFunnels page.